We'll guide you through how to use power-ups in Trello to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your computer and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to add a power-up. Look at the top right of your board and click on the Show menu button if it's not already open. Inside the menu, you'll see a few options. Click on Power-ups to see the available power-up options. Trello offers a wide range of power-ups, from calendar views to integrations with other apps like Slack and Google Drive. You can explore these to find the ones that best suit your needs. When you find a power-up you're interested in, click on it to learn more about what it does. You'll see a button that says Add or Enable, depending on whether it's already been added to any boards. Click that button to activate the power-up on your board. After you've added a power-up, you may need to configure it to work with your board. For example, if you add a calendar power-up, you'll want to sync it with your card due dates. To do this, click on the power-up icon that now appears on your board, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You can add multiple power-ups to a single board, but remember that free Trello users have a limited number of power-ups they can use at once. So, choose wisely based on your most critical needs. To manage or remove any power-ups, you can return to the Power-ups menu at any time. Here, you can toggle them on or off or completely remove them if they're not serving your purpose anymore. Using power-ups effectively can really transform how you use Trello, making it a more powerful tool for project management. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.